Ayan, so pasensya na medyo ngongo. Palakpakan natin ulit. Coach Rico Raimundo! Woo! Grabe! Pwede ba ako makarinig ng power, power, power? Grabe, grabe, grabe!
Power,
1,
power,
2, 3!
Power, power, power. Grabe, grabe, grabe. Power, power, power. Grabe, grabe, grabe.
Grabe! Sobra, no? Talagang hindi na ako makahinga sa kakatawa. Ang hirap palang tumawa na naka-face mask. Non-stop, kaya non-stop din yung ubo. So, quick lang po ito dahil wala ako masyadong oxygen. Sabi nga ni Doc kanina, kailangan ko pala ng oxygen. Pag palagi ko daw hinihingal, ano ibig sabihin? Stress. So, alam ko na bakit palagi ako hinihingal. Okay, so, ito po yung ating LLIC update. Next. You know, it's very important to be updated. Here in LLIC, we don't just train you. We don't just support you, but we do update you. Now, according to Mehras Basiri, there is no automatic update button for your life. You must do it manually to avoid glitches and performance issues. Sino po may laptop dito? Or PC? Or cellphone? Lahat may cellphone, right? Every now and then, may update. Pagka may mga apps, may update. Pag hindi in-update, ano po nangyayari sa performance ng gadget? Lobat or hindi nagpe-perform ng maayos. Therefore, dear LLIC family, and for those who are watching via online, if you're not updated about LLIC, you will be what? A low performer. Mahina yung function dahil walang alam. Ay, ganun ba? Ha? Ano yun? Ano yung yes, we lead? My gosh. Nakailang training na po yun. Orientation. Grand launch na ginawa natin. Hindi pa rin alam yung yes, we lead. So, you have to be updated. Okay? So, next slide please. Yan. So, gusto namin kayong i-update kung ano po ang standing ng inyong performance per region. So, wala po itong amount, but there is a percentage. We would like to show you, dear NCR distributors, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao distributors, ito po yung performance for the month of September. Look at this. Yung blue po, yan po yung NCR. Sino NCR dito? Taas ang kamay! NCR, NCR! Yun, palakpakan nyo naman. 51.72%. Wow, parang mahina yung palakpakan mo. For Luzon, sino Luzon dito? Taas ang kamay! Ang Luzon. Zambales. North Luzon, South Luzon, basta Luzon. Okay, 31.16%. Palakpakan nyo naman yan. And for Mindanao, 9.4%. Then for Visayas, 6.52%. Why are we showing this? Dear LLIC family, we just launched Booster. And we know, nagtatanim pa lang tayo this month. And I am sure, pagdating ng susunod na buwan, by October, mag-iiba to. Kasama ba namin kayo? Mag-iiba to. Pwedeng, equally distributed. Kaya yan, lalo na kung isang team lang tayo. LLIC family yung way of thinking natin. Okay ba yun? Yes! Okay. So again, now we would like to challenge everyone, okay, to make sure na yung buong team ay tulong-tulong para ma-achieve kung ano man yung gusto nating i-achieve bilang isang team. Okay. So next slide please. So at this point, kanina, na-launch na po ni Press Mariel yung ating great news. Okay? Hanggang at 30 lang po yun. Pero ang original or regular SRP po ng ating It's Magic Whitening Lotion ay 1,800 pesos. Pero starting today, hanggang at 30 lang, okay, siya po ay naka-buy one, take two, libre. So in short, tatlo yung makukuha mo sa halagang 1,800 pesos. Okay? Your regular discount shall not apply. Wala na natira sa amin. Di ba? Okay. So yan. Next. Okay. So eto parating na rin po yung ating compact mirror, no, for BB cream and white and wrinkle spot cream. Pakigalaw naman, Daniel. Ayan. So with point value siya. So pwede nyo rin siya isama sa ating unilevel maintenance requirement. No? Okay, next slide please. Napakaganda ng compact mirror natin. Okay, so we have merchandise items for sale. Okay, we have our LLIC pouch bag para pag nagde-demo kayo, hindi mahirap at saka maganda, very elegant. Okay, and then we have our LLIC vanity bag. It's only 1,000 pesos. If you will buy that, it's equivalent to 40 point value. Okay, and then we have our LLIC Compact Beauty Mirror, 199. Ang point value ay 8 PV. Okay, so yan. Okay, next. You can also order, ayan, yung ating business card. Okay, baka na magtatanong, kasi baka magpapagawa ng business card. Dalawang klase yung business cards natin. Meron tayong class A, may class B, di ba? para sa store lang. Okay. Yung class A natin, glossy siya. Ay, sorry, class B pala. 500 pesos per box, 100 pieces yung laman. Then yung business card natin na gold foil, kumikinang-kinang yung logo at yung pangalan mo, 1,100 per box, no? And then we also have our lanyard. Ito po yan. It's only 100 pesos. So, wag nyo na hanapang point value, ha? Walang PV ang mga yan. Okay. And then we also have our LLIC headband. Yung madalas po mag-product demo, please. No, mag-invest naman kayo. 200 lang to. Masarap po itong ipang product demo. Okay, may logo po ni LLIC. And we have our catalog, flyer, and of course, our bags. Okay, they're all for sale. And then if you have some questions, you can get in touch with our STM supervisors. Okay, next slide please. Ayan. Okay, so other matters, but before I move on, I'd like to remind everyone, yung ating pong MPP 100,000, no, ay naka-promo po hanggang end of the month. Na-extend po ito. So ang dami po nag-a-avail. Thank you sa lahat ng mga nag-a-avail and congratulations.
Thank
So kung may hahabol pa kayo, meron pa po hanggang Saturday yan. Okay, for your LBOP schedules, please, no, it must be at least 1 month or 3 weeks before the event date. Okay, through your respective core leader, then our core leader will get in touch with our GUV director, Hernan Quiñones. Sa kanya po isasubmit. Okay, then next. For our BTE or black tie event schedules naman, it must be set at least minimum 1 month before the event date. Minimum po yun. Hindi po kayo pwede magsabi sa core leader natin na 2 weeks before kasi hindi magiging successful yung black tie event na yon. Okay, number 3. Proposal letters for co-ops, private companies, barangay captains, public officials, etc., etc. We all have that. No? May draft po kami yan. You can request from your respective STM supervisors. Okay? So pwede po kami mag-provide sa inyo soft copy, hard copy, you name it. Okay? Lahat pwede naming i-provide, no, na type of proposal letters. So sa LLIC, updated ka na, hindi ka pa mahihirapan with everything that you need. May tool na ipoprovide sa'yo si LLIC. Okay? And yon, na-announce din kanina twice. So para po makasuporta tayo sa ating TPC Foundation Inc. Okay, they are celebrating their anniversary on November 7. Okay, sa halagang 200 pesos, aakyat tayo lahat mamaya for our dinner. Nawa po, pag kayo'y busog na or hindi pa kayo busog, pwedeng-pwede po kayo bumili. No? Kahit isa, dalawa, mas masaya. Okay, 200 pesos lang yung bingo, yung bingo ticket, and then papalitan namin yan ng bingo card pag malapit na po yung event. So nabanggit kanina ni Norbert yung papremyo, no, na nakalaan. And of course, no, pwede kang manalo and nakatulong ka pa sa mas maraming less fortunate. Okay. And of course, again, reminder, ito po, Yes, We Lead program natin. Hindi lang po ito, no, eventually, hindi lang po ito once a week. Tandaan po natin, 4 sessions po yan, itong programa na to. So nagkaroon na po tayo last week ng first session, second session this coming Saturday. But there will come a time, in 1 week, there will be 3 sessions, no, na gagawin na first session yon. I mean, session 1. Okay? So, hindi lang po tayo nalilimit sa isang session kada linggo. Pwede pang padamihin yan. Sa bawat novices na papasok, booster na papasok, palaging a-attend ng session 1, and then session 2, hanggang makagraduate, may certificate, may t-shirt, pareho ng sinabi sa atin ni Coach Rico. Okay po ba yon? Grabe! Kumpletong-kumpleto ka na dito sa LLIC. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa. Hindi ba? Okay, so I think that's it. Ayan. So again, maraming salamat, dear LLIC family. To God be all the glory. Thank you so much, Rick James. Yahoo!